52. This is the amount raised for Elaia Alpha 2 fund at the end of the year after this so weird period to raise fund. So it's an achievement.
Well, I cannot disclose it, but I can tell you that we distributed more cash to investors than we invested on their behalf this year.
30. We grew the team to 30 in 2020. We kept a perfect balance between the tech, finance, and entrepreneur profile. We have 10 nationalities, 7 PhDs, and a perfect gender equality.
Of course, Miracle Series D, where we had a second company reaching the unicorn status.
3 exits, 1 partial, even 4 if we have had a couple of weeks.
The best memory was the first closing of Elaia Alpha 2 fund, despite the crisis.
New money is flowing in the ecosystem with large PE joining the game. This is a great new source of liquidity for us.
You should invest in deep tech early stage companies because this is a very crisis-robust investment thesis. Because you have IP on the technological edge, so this is a tangible asset. Then you invest early stage, meaning that the company have low valuation. And then these companies are more resilient to business decrease in 2020 because very often they are still developing their product and they are not so much on the go-to-market issues.
2020 was a very tough and special year from the society standpoint with the global crisis, as we all know. From a pure VC standpoint, what we've witnessed in 2020 is the fast-tracking the acceleration of digital transformation. And we see a widening chasm between the organizations that have embraced digital transformation and those who have not. Perhaps we've seen also less frivolous and more transformative usage of innovation technology and of the firepower of entrepreneurs. For example, we see more and more digital technologies such as machine learning being applied to fundamental challenges in healthcare or life science. If I had to keep one word from a pure business standpoint for 2020, it's that technology is no longer an option.
We first were a boutique VC, passionately building a track record of funding very promising early tech businesses. And now we are scaling and expanding at a strong pace with, over the last 5 years, AUM multiplied by 4, team multiplied by 3, and overall value of our portfolio multiplied by 2.
Today, we have 450 million euro asset under management, and we are very proud to have settled a platform with multi-skilled teams dedicated to all multi-tech sectors. We are at the beginning of international reach with startups spin-off from foreign laboratories. We have developed our partnership with our limited partners, and we bring them performance, but also intelligence and open innovation.
Our vision is to keep growing Elaia. We are in a good momentum. In 2 to 3 years, we should have around 1 billion under management. We will increase our international footprint. We'll keep developing multi-stage vehicle with a platform approach. And that will be done in a full respect with our DNA, which is based on 3 fundamental molecules, which are performances, technology, and care.
Tech, deep tech, and digital for health.
We love, respect, and care our team members, our partners, and first and foremost, the entrepreneurs. We have a special word for that, that's VC. It stands for venture care.
Performance.